how you can solve your caching problem in your Facebook Lite. So hello guys, welcome back to this another brand new video. So in this video I will show you how you can solve it. Okay, so guys, before we start this video I want to say one thing is that if you are new in this video, then please hit the subscribe button in this channel and hit the likes. Okay, so guys, let's go. So after you have to go in your settings, and after that you have to go for our app management, and after going app management you have to go for app list. After that you have to search for light, and after that you have to click here for stop and storage users. You have to clear for clear cache and clear data. After that you have to go for battery uses. So this is everything is fine. Now you can see this, and in the permissions also it should be yellow in everything. So and after that, so guys, this is how you have to do it to solve your caching problem. And thanks for watching this video.